Great. So today I've got the pleasure of speaking with Erez Raphael, the CEO of Dario Health. So hi, Erez, how are you doing today?
Good, and thanks for having me, Gary.
Great, sure thing. Now listen, I find Dario Health's focus on digital health, digital therapeutics, fascinating. Just wondered, can you take a brief moment to introduce what Dario Health does?
So Dario Health is a digital therapeutics company. We are part of the Digital Therapeutics Alliance, and we are managing lives of people that have chronic conditions. We started with diabetes, we moved into hypertension. Recently, we got into the MSK space, and we are combining together medical devices with a software and also with coaching services that we are providing on top of the platform in order to help people manage their chronic conditions in a very effective and good user experience way.
Great. No, that sounds good. So you've mentioned obviously software coaching and user experience. I mean, my next question was, there's so many partnerships and offerings coming up in this space. You know, it's super exciting. But you know, what particularly makes Dario Health unique in the digital therapeutic space?
So when we built this company, our main theme was that in the next few years, healthcare is going to be very, very consumer-centric. People will have the ability and will be able to choose their own way to manage their healthcare and their specific chronic condition. And in order to be the best in this kind of environment, we need to create the best user experience. And the only way to create the best user experience is to go first to direct to consumer, which is what we did, and to build a very good product. And we built probably one of the best products in the market. We have on the metabolic side, we have around 70,000 active paying users. On the App Store, if you're going to go to the US App Store, you're going to see that we have around 15,000 reviews with 4.9 stars. On Amazon, we are 4.4 stars.
Right.
Net Promoter Score 77. So an extremely good user experience that leads to clinical outcomes that eventually can save money to insurers. This is what we believe we are doing the best.
Great, and that sounds like a great business model. And what I noticed, Erez, is Dario Health seems to have a wide range of partnerships with employers, payers, providers, telehealth companies. But looking through, I couldn't really see any with pharmaceutical companies. I'm interested, do you see pharmaceutical companies as potential collaborators or competitors?
I see that pharma companies are going to be collaborators because the whole industry is getting digitalized. Pharma companies, in a lot of cases, are moving forward in a slower way. So at some point, they will have to digital their experience with their users. And pharma companies want to get as close as possible to the end user. The only way to do that is by having digital platforms under which they can operate, capture data, and to learn more about their users. So over time, we're going to see that pharmaceutical companies are acquiring solutions like Dario or partnering with solutions like Dario. And I believe that eventually this is where the whole market is going. So pharma will have to be there.
Great, and it sounds like you're open to those potential collaborations. So that's great.
Absolutely, we are looking into multiple ways to scale up our outreach to the market and to touch as many users as possible, because we believe that we are providing a good solution that helps people improve their clinical outcomes. And if we can reach to as many users as possible, this is what we're going to do, and we're going to collaborate with all the players out there, including pharma companies.
Great. Look, Erez, thanks. This has been great. Really great overview, really succinct and fascinating. Love to chat all day, but I think this has been really great. So pleasure connecting with you. Wishing you all the best and hope to connect again.
Absolutely. Same here. Thank you, Gary.